Hey guys, so Kyocera has announced the Kyocera Torque G06. The device will be sold for about 98,000 Japanese yen, and if you convert that to USD, it's going to be about $657. So this is not a cheap device. Anyway, I was able to get some of the top features of this rugged phone, and like I do on the channel, usually I'll be mentioning the top features for you guys. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is a compact device, and it's going to be coming in two colors, namely red and black. The device is also going to be rated IPX8 and IP6X. IPX8 means the device is waterproof, and IP6X means it is dust proof. So these IP ratings are the equivalent of IP68, which means this device is waterproof and dust proof. The phone is also military grade standard 810H certified, which isn't a surprise because this is a rugged phone. And in terms of size and weight, the device has a thickness of 14.6 millimeters and it weighs 234 grams. It packs a 4270 mAh battery, and it supports fast charging, but I wasn't able to get the exact charging speed, but I'm expecting it to be at least 18 watts. The phone has a tiny 5.4-inch display. I believe it's going to be a full HD plus display, and one of the top features of this device is its processor. The device is among the few devices to be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. It's a 4nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 2.4 GHz. Designed by Samsung, not TSMC. It is also paired with the Adreno 644 GPU. Anyway, paired with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 is 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1TB via SD. In the camera department, the device has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, a 16MP wide angle lens, and a 2MP macro lens. The main camera is capable of shooting up to 4K videos at 30fps. The device also has an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. This device also ships with the latest Android 13, and I believe it's going to be the stock version of Android. Other features of the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, face unlock support, and so on. So these are the top features of the Kyocera Torque G06. Like I mentioned earlier, the device is going to be sold for about $657, so it's not cheap, but it packs really nice features. It's a 5G rugged phone with a nice processor and a really nice compact design. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this rugged phone from Kyocera, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.